Hi guys, it's me again, Maria. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how you can get or create a content using Wikipedia. So without any further ado, let's do this. Alright, so first, let's go to Google, and we're going to use the Google Bard. For some of you who don't know what is Google Bard is like a ChatGPT. So I'm gonna show you guys. Go to Google and type Google Bard. Okay, then click that one, and here it is. So click this one, and from here you will see the box here that you will enter a prompt that you want for your content. So for example, okay, I will ask Google Bard to write me 10 popular niches in Wikipedia about dogs. Okay, let's say dogs. For those who are dog lover, there, click enter, and it will show here. Just wait for a second. Okay, so now here are the 10 popular niches in Wikipedia about dogs. So, dog breeds, dogs behavior and training. So choose which one do you want from these popular niches about dogs. So let's say I want to get this dog behavior. So now here is the article about dog behavior. You see that one, but we cannot use all of this into our video content, right? So what we're going to do with this is we're going to rewrite this one into a short, short article. But to do that, you're going up here and we're going to copy the URL of this article, the dog behavior. Okay, so let's copy this one, and then we're going back to Google Bard. Click the Google Bard, and here we're going to ask the Google Bard to rewrite, okay? To rewrite this article. Let's say, well, it depends on how many words do you want, 300 words, 400 words, 500 words. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna say like 300 words. Okay, we write this article 300 words, and then here at the last we're going to paste the URL that we copy. There you go. And then click enter, and now let's see. Okay, so now it's processing. Let's wait for seconds. Alright, so now it gives you your summary of the article that we copy there in Wikipedia for dog behavior. So there you go. So if you like this one, well, you can just copy and paste this one so that we can use this for our video. And if you don't like this, well, you can click this one and regenerate it, or you can listen to this. Just click this one and you can listen to this. So I think I'm good with this. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this one so that I can create a video for this article. To do that, we're going to invideoai.com. Alright, so there you go. Click this one, and here you go. So if you don't have an account, then you can create an account, but if you already have an account, all you have to do is just to sign in. Alright, so now here is we're going to create a video for our article. So here, give me a topic and detail of instruction. Okay, so to do that, make sure guys that you write the instruction of what you want for your video. Alright, so from here, I'm going to copy and paste the one that we have got from Google Bard here, and I'm going to paste it. Alright, so after this, I'm going to try this a YouTube explainer. So I might click this one, and okay, give me the topic. So I'm just gonna paste it here, and then if you want to use a background, then you can put the background here. And what gender do you want to use? Then I want a female gender, and then you can choose the voice that you want. So I might want a clear American voice. The subtitles, so and let's generate the video. So I only have 1,976. I still have 3,600. So let's see how it looks like. This is my first time, guys, so I don't know how it looks like. So let's generate the video, and now it's processed. So let's wait for seconds. Okay, so if you're good with this, unleash can companions, a deep dive into dog behaviors, audience, dog lovers, yes, pet lovers, but I stick to dog lovers. Look and feel bright, inspiring. I think bright is okay. Um, Platform is YouTube. And if you are good with this, and if you want to edit your prompt, well, you can click this one and edit or change your prompt. But if you are good with this, then let's click continue. I'm so excited, guys. I want to see how the video looks like. This is my first time making video, AI video, using in video AI. So I don't know how it looks like, but I just want to let you know, guys, that if you are looking for content that you want to create, but you are, don't have any resources, Wikipedia, you can get all of your, you want to know in whatever content that you want to create. And then just go to Wikipedia and ask Wikipedia what the prompt. Just write the prompt that you want to, and then it will give you all the details, the articles, and then go back to Google Bard and rewrite it for how many words that you want to. All right, so now there you go, guys. The video is finished, as you see. Oh, you can also edit it. If you want a video, just give them a command. Okay, you see, guys, there is a watermark there. So if you want to take that watermark, you can use the paid version, but I'm just gonna show you guys this one that you can also use in video to create video, and at the same time the voiceover. So I'm using the free one, the starter one, which is free, that you can create a video for your shorts video on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or whatever platform that you want to use. So this is how you can use the InVideo, guys, AI, to create a content for your niches, whatever niches do you want to create, by using the Google Bard and the Wikipedia and the InVideo AI. So after you finish this one, guys, well, you can regenerate it. So once you finish with that, guys, I'm going to export this. Click the export and export the video. So here, watermarks, no watermarks, I can click this one, but you have to upgrade to a paid plan if you don't have watermarks. So I'm just gonna click the stock watermark, since this is just a tutorial, so it's all up to you guys to decide if you wanna use the paid version. Select InVideo AI branding. I think if you want the none, then it requires to upgrade again to paid plan. So I'm just gonna get the normal one, okay? And export resolution for this one, so I use the 1080p. So once you finish with that, then click continue. So now it's rendering, and just wait for seconds, guys, until your video is finished. All right, so now my video is finished, so voila. So I'm going to save this into my device. Once you save this, and then you can upload your video into your YouTube channel, TikTok, or whatever platform that you want to upload your video. So this is how it looks like once the video is finished. It's a 3 minutes video. So yes, and then after that, guys, all the videos that you made will save into your workspace, and then there you go. So now you can download this one, and here is the outline of the video, and then that's all, guys. So let's give a try, guys. Just follow my tutorial, and this is my first time I'm using the InVideo AI, so I really don't know how it looks like. I just want to try to use the Google Bard instead of ChatGPT, and get my content to Wikipedia and create a video for those articles that I choose. So I hope this helps, guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just let me know. And before you leave, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So if you want to watch the whole video of my dog behavior for 3 minutes, go ahead, guys, and watch the full video.
Have you ever wondered why your canine companion behaves the way they do? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of dog behavior. Dogs, our loyal companions for thousands of years, display behaviors that are a unique blend of instinct and learned traits. Their senses, particularly smell and hearing, far surpass our own, aiding them in communication not only with each other but with us, their human counterparts. Now, let's journey into the importance of play in a dog's life. It might seem like all fun and games, but it's so much more than that. Playtime for puppies is a crucial learning period where they acquire social skills and develop physical coordination. For adult dogs, playtime serves as a bonding activity with their owners and fellow dogs. It's also a great stress reliever and a perfect cure for boredom. Moving on, it's important to remember that dogs are social animals. They thrive in hierarchical packs with a clear leader, the dominant dog. This leader takes responsibility for decision-making and the safety of the pack. Every other dog in the pack acknowledges the leader's dominance and establishes their own dominance relationships among themselves. Now let's delve into the complexities of a dog's personality. It's shaped by a mix of genetics and environment. While some breeds naturally lean towards being outgoing and friendly, others may be more reserved or independent. A dog's early experiences also play a pivotal role in shaping their personality. For instance, a puppy that is gently handled and well socialized from a young age is more likely to grow into a confident and well-adjusted adult dog. Understanding dog behavior is crucial for those who live with or work with dogs. By familiarizing ourselves with their sense perceptions, communication methods, play behavior, and social structure, we're better equipped to cater to their needs and build stronger, more positive relationships with them. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional intriguing facts about dogs. Did you know that dogs can learn to understand over 250 words and gestures? Or that the way a dog wags its tail can communicate a variety of emotions, including happiness, excitement, and fear? Even yawning in dogs can signify stress or anxiety. And here's a fun one. Dogs dream, just like we do. In this video, we've explored the various aspects of dog behavior, from their superior senses, the importance of play, their social structure, to the factors that shape their personality. We've also uncovered some fun facts about our furry friends. Understanding these behaviors is key to building a strong, positive relationship with your dog. So the next time you find yourself puzzled by your dog's antics, remember there's always a reason behind their behavior. It's up to us to understand them better. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of dog behavior.